So now we're subtracting a fraction from a mixed number, but this time we're going to find our answer by converting the mixed number to an improper fraction. So as an improper fraction, 2.5 is 5 over 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and the denominator stays the same. And we're subtracting 9 over 14. But to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. Now 14 is in the 2 times table, so we need to find an equivalent fraction to 5 over 2, which has a denominator of 14. That's 35 over 14, because 2 times 7 is 14, and what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well. So 2 times 7 is 14, and 5 times 7 is 35. So we found our equivalent fractions. So now we have a common denominator, so we can subtract. The denominator stays the same, and 35 minus 9 is 26. So our answer is 26 over 14. But if we want to change that back into a mixed number, we can divide. 26 divided by 14 is 1, remainder 12, because 1 times 14 is 14, but then we need 12 more to get to 26, and our denominator stays at 14. So our answer is 1 and 12 over 14. Now 3 and 1/6 minus 1/2. So as an improper fraction, 3 and 1/6 is 19 over 6, because 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19, and the denominator stays the same. We're subtracting 1/2, but to subtract we need to make the denominators the same. 6 is in the 2 times table, so we can change 1/2, we can find an equivalent fraction to 1/2 with a denominator of 6. So we can do 19 over 6 minus 3 over 6, because 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. 2 times 3 is 6, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator, and 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have our common denominator, so we keep 6 as the denominator of our answer, and 19 minus 3 is 16. So our answer is 16 over 6. Or if we want to change that back into a mixed number, 16 divided by 6 is 2 remainder 4, because 2 times 6 is 12, and then we need 4 more to get to 16. Our denominator stays the same as it is here, so that's 6. So our answer is 2 and 4/6. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.